sudden you're in Charlotte, North Carolina.
Yeah, like we're literally here. I'm like, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are already at Charlotte. This is moving vlog 3. So many moving vlogs. But Katie drove us to Charlotte. First stop is Ikea.
There's Hobby
Lobby. Oh, here's Ikea. She's a big girl. We're coming to Ikea because we just have a lot of odds and ends to get for the downstairs of the house, which I literally have not shown you guys. So once we get it all together, we'll do a full house tour moment. But we've been to this Ikea once before. We are familiar with her. We know what this is like. We're gonna get shopping. We'll do a big haul of everything that we get today later on, and we'll take you along for the day. Do you guys have anything you want to say?
Put me on the spot like that. We're gonna get a coffee table. Coffee table and plant. That's
Big
the goal.
plant. And just random little things. Woo. Slay. We're plant mommies now. Well, Amanda's a plant mommy, and she's gonna teach us how to be plant moms.
We're gonna water her. She's gonna be very happy.
Recycling bin. What is this? Oh, they didn't have what we wanted, but we made something work for a coffee table, and then a bunch of little things I'll show later. No topper. Her burp
Like that happened to 3 people and it was so humiliating. I didn't even feel it coming in, just like erupted, and I was like
Amanda's like struggling to get the gas. So we had a really successful day today. I really just didn't feel like vlogging, so I really didn't vlog anything, but we have a car full of stuff that we're gonna give you guys a haul of when we get home. I bought pillows. Super hype about the pillows. I brought Mr. Bonk along for the ride, but they're figuring out gas right now. They're at BJ's because apparently the gas is cheaper here, but we're driving back from Charlotte now. It's literally 6 p.m. But we went to Trader Joe's, at home, lunch, Ikea.
no topper.
You love the idea of me. You love being seen with me. You
It's just with a bad bitch. Didn't they tell you that I was a savage? But you never could imagine. You need.
Oh, I really like that guy.
I did not watch that.
He's from White Collar.
Package unboxing. So I got 2 things and I wanted to share them with you. Not literally, like you can't wear them too. But I just wanted someone to watch me unbox them. They're both
What would you do if I ripped open the bag for you?
You can. Do you want to?
Because a hottie little nugget in your pickup dress. Why doesn't it
Well,
have
if you're
to?
gonna take 10 years to open it.
I can't figure out how to open it.
Just get into it.
Pants.
Yeah. I hope they fit me well, but do you like the color?
Yeah, it's giving like a nice.
And they're kind of like
Maybe
cargo.
pajama material.
And then in the bottom, you can cinch them if you want to. This is what they look like. Baby blue. These, I think you're really gonna like the color.
Yeah, I already like the color. Are they long?
We're gonna find out together.
Or are they short?
I don't know.
I love the pockets.
Right? They're cargo.
They're
Maybe
cute.
we're doing the box open up.
Love.
Aren't these
Yeah,
fun?
get the stitch
They're
in
like
the front.
cargo.
I really unboxing.
I'm like, Amanda, come
on.
on. Okay, honestly, the perks of wearing
purple
this
pencil.
literal triddling thing is that it can just try on my stuff.
Yeah, that's true. You can do that.
Those
Those
are
are so
tight. I
cute.
gotta stretch them. Okay.
Those are really cute. Those
Green.
actually might be long enough.
Yeah, I definitely cannot wear this underneath. But like the cargo pocket moment.
Yeah, that's
slay.
cute.
I feel like I even could have got one size up. But they slay. Okay, next one. I
Yeah,
feel like I'm gonna
yeah.
really like these because
Yeah, I like those.
I just feel like the material slays. Okay, I love these.
Oh, I really like the bottom.
Yeah, so they look like this.
Yeah, that's really cute.
And then the
Really
bottom,
cute
but
in
you
the
can
back.
cinch them.
You're not gonna show your jumbo pillows. Yeah, that's what I thought.
$9.99. And so what I want you guys to think about
dreams.
is 2 for $20.
You should do like a demonstration of like,
They're called jumbo for a reason.
and they're really like squishy.
Yeah, like this is. I think I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. Let me take it. You can take it out if you want.
These are nice.
Oh yeah.
But I would be so bothered if my head sank that far down into a pillow. Like that would make me really
Feel my
angry.
pillow right now though. It's just totally
This
different.
is so hard. I hate this so hard, and it's so heavy. This weighs like 50 pounds.
It's memory foam, so.
Bye.
So it's actually been a week since we went to Charlotte, and when I went home, I got the thing so I could hang my sign. We actually went to Richmond today to visit our friend Caitlin, and I bought these pimple patches. You guys can't really tell because the camera makes things look way better, but I literally put a pimple patch on here because this pimple is like popping, it's busting, it's like at its biggest, craziest stage. state. I also got my eyebrows done. So that's just like 2 things that you didn't ask that I told you. But it was also a candle sale day. So I got Marshmallow Fireside and I have it going already. And I'm about to hang up this sign. And then I haven't unpacked since going home. Oh, and last thing, I have a new member of my family. Her name is Flonk. And the reason her name is Flonk is because this is Chonk and then this is Flat Chonk. So Flonk.
I like it.
Okay, in continuation of this vlog has been broken up into so many parts at this point. We have like Charlotte at the beginning and now we're just like back in the house, but I am going to finally give my roommate what I got them as like a little housewarming present. I ended up shipping these to my house, and so when I went home I brought them back for them to open, so I'm gonna make them open them on camera and then we're gonna make pizzas and watch The Bachelorette. Oh, and I want to show you guys my room at night because I added LED lights all into it and it looks so good. And then that'll probably conclude this vlog, and then I'm gonna do one final moving series vlog where it's gonna be a literal full house tour and we're gonna walk upstairs, downstairs, show you guys everything, and that will be super fun. Let's get into them opening their gift.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay, here, I want this one. Okay. These are really cute because I already forgot what they looked like when you sent me them, and I couldn't remember. I saw that Instagram story.
Yeah, look at my story. I was like, they're gonna know.
They're jars. And it has a
like a little mason jar. I think it's how to like take care of it.
Oh, this is so hand wash only. Yeah, not dishwasher.
Yeah, no dishwasher, guys.
Do not soak. No dishwash. But actually,
we
should have drinks with them tonight.
That's what I was thinking with our pizza.
Like,
I guess we should give them context. Let me
these are so cute.
cute.
Yeah. Roommates. Like, we have a mushroom going on.
A close
Thanks
up.
for getting these. These are so cute.
Of course.
My morning juice is gonna be so elevated.
I'm like, we're gonna
ASMR
clean.
actually.
Anyways, Bachelorette time. Okay, and to finish off the video, I just wanted to show you guys my LED lights that I put up last night crazily. They actually look super nice and it's perfect lighting for when I want to do work at night, but I don't want like the harsh overhead lighting. So I'll just show you. So obviously I have the LED sign, which honestly produces a lot more light than I thought it would by itself. And then I ended up doing the strip lights all around the archway of my closet, bringing it down, and then all the way around the archway of my door. And then I just had excess, so I let it go all the way to here. And then I do have lights behind the TV. It's kind of annoying because these are like blue, so they have to match, but also I have to like do the switch, so I don't like to do these as much, but they're still nice. And then typically I would probably have that lamp on as well. And then I also put light underneath of the bed, which I think looks super nice and fun, which was my original intent for the lights anyway, but I had so much excess that I was able to wrap it around, which ended up being really pretty and I really like it. So yeah, this is basically the final room. It's kind of dirty right now, but you guys will see it fully in the full house tour. That was the final thing that I needed to do to complete my room, and I love it. And I think everything has come together in like the perfect way where it's not too much stuff. The only thing I don't have is curtains, but it's no biggie. And then I also started to do the closet and like hanging my denim and stuff, so that was also something that I needed to get done. And then I have all my shoes up here instead of having a shoe rack, and then all of this has loose items that are hard to consolidate, and then that's my hamper and my excess like shoes and slippers and stuff. So it's really coming together. But that is going to conclude moving vlog 3, and as I said, the last vlog is going to be a full-on house tour, which I'm so excited to share with you guys. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.